Welcome back, friends. In this video tutorial, once again I welcome you all. In this video tutorial, we are going to have a look on the pattern of a question paper. This pattern of question paper is prepared according to the new syllabus from this academic year by Shivaji University, Kolhapur. This pattern of a question paper is very easy since we have already given examinations on 50 marks, because earlier question paper formats were of 50 marks for your earlier 2 years, and for this semester the new syllabus is framed, and according to this new syllabus CBCS pattern is introduced since last 2 years by the university, and according to that pattern the pattern of question paper is framed. So in this tutorial I am going to describe model question paper format. So friends, in this tutorial we are going to study the pattern of question paper, how 40 marks have been distributed in 5 questions. So we will see the distribution of questions on the modules and the pattern of questions and distribution of marks that we will see in this tutorial. My dear friends, in this tutorial once again I welcome you all. Friends, in this tutorial we are going to have a look towards the pattern of question paper for the students of BA part 3rd who are going to face semester 5th, and this pattern of question paper is of compulsory English. It is prepared by the Shivaji University, Kolhapur according to the CBCS pattern, and this pattern of question paper will be very beneficial for the students of affiliated colleges of Shivaji University, Kolhapur from Maharashtra, and this pattern is going to be implemented from this academic year, that is academic year 2020 and 21. So from June 2020 it is going to be implemented. So this paper, which is also called as Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course in CBCS pattern. So let us see how the pattern of question paper of 40 marks is, and it will be for you. So let us see, friends. Now this pattern of question paper, which is going to be implemented from June 2020 onwards, but actually at what time the next semester, means the 5th semester, will take place, we are uncertain about it because of this corona pandemic. It is very critical that to say anything about the examination and semester, it is uncertain, but it is proposed and it will be implemented. See now, question first will be 4 multiple choice questions with 4 alternatives to be set. This question will carry 3 marks. Keep in mind, the whole paper is of 40 marks. So 40 marks paper, you will have to attempt every paper of every subject that you will have to give for 40 marks. And let us see the division of these 40 marks. Once again, the first question will be asked 4 multiple choice questions with 4 alternatives to be set. This question will carry 3 marks. And here, based on prose and poetry, this question will be asked on prose and poetry. Question first B, answer in one word, one phrase and sentence each. This will also on prose and poetry, and it will also carry 3 marks. Then question first C, 2 different vocabulary exercises to be set for 1 mark each. It will be also on prose and poetry, and it will carry 2 marks. So here the first question will carry 8 marks. Now we will move towards question second. Now here, question second, answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences each. 2 out of 3. It means that you will have to opt to 3 questions will be asked, and you will have to write answers only of 2. So bifurcation of these questions, 2 questions will be asked on prose and 1 question will be on poetry, and you will have to attempt only 2 questions out of 3. So this will carry 4 marks. Now we will move towards question second B. Write short notes. So here short notes you are going to face. Short note on the following in about 7 to 8 sentences each. 7 to 8 sentences. Here 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. So the questions will be asked, 1 on prose and 1 on poetry, and this will also carry 4 marks. So question first and question second here that we have seen. Now we will move towards question third and question fourth. So friends, here question third will be asked on interview skills. A or B means, see, from question second onwards you have options. You will have to write either answer of A or of B. So this first module, this question interview skills, it falls into the category of module first, and it will carry 8 marks. So again, question number 4. So here, question to be set on grammar for competitive examinations. Here also you have options A or B, and this question will be asked on module second A, that is grammar for competitive examinations, and this question will also carry 8 marks. Then once again, question number 5. Now this question will be set on writing skills for competitive examinations. Here also you have options A or B, and this question will be asked on module 3rd A, and it will also carry 8 marks. So this is how, friends, these were the questions. You have to face 5 questions for 40 marks, and out of these 40 you will have to for passing score you will have to score 40 marks. Okay. Now for remaining 10 marks, see here I have given a note. For semester 5, 10 marks for internal evaluation. So for these 10 marks, students will have to give seminars. So students' seminars, depending on the units or communication, seminar will be planned, and students will have to give their seminars on distributed topics or subjects. So this is how it was the pattern of question paper for the students who are going to face 5th semester for this academic year, and it is beneficial for the students of senior colleges doing BA in the affiliated colleges of Shivaji University Kolhapur. So this is how, friends, this pattern of question paper will help you to direct proper study, and it will direct you. It will not create any kind of confusion in your mind for further study. So Thus it was the model of question paper. We will stop and we will meet in next video tutorial. Till then, thank you. So friends, thus it was the pattern of question paper, and I hope it will be very beneficial for all of you to study in a proper direction for the 5th semester. And in other video tutorials I will also try to come back with another question papers, pattern of question papers for 6th semester, and for the syllabus which is prescribed for other students, that is the students of special English. So for all the papers I am going to make a video of pattern of question papers, and its links I will try to provide you, because this will be very helpful for all of you to study in the proper direction. Thank you.